For 6 grueling months, Valley residents sit and wait to see if the next big tropical system will hit them hard on the home front. Damage from these storms is estimated to be up to $5 billion annually in the U.S. alone, according to the National Oceanic Atmospheric Administration. So with hurricane season upon us, the time to make sure your home and its contents are insured is now. Abraham Padron, agency principal of Safeguard Insurance, says the first step is getting to your agent and creating a policy to fit your needs. It all starts with homeowners insurance.
So that would cover your home in case of wind, hurricane, and hail. Also includes fire, vandalism, theft.
But what about water? That's where a separate policy, flood insurance, comes into play. Padron says less than 50% of Valley residents have it, mostly because they're unaware.
It's inexpensive if you live in a flood and not in a flood zone. If you live in a flood zone, it becomes a little bit more expensive. It's all based on, we call it a certificate of elevation.
Your elevation determines where your location on the flood zone map is, which is divided into sections. Expect to pay based on your location within this map. In addition, flood insurance will be paid in advance and takes 30 days from the date of purchase to take effect. And remember, this coverage is specifically for rising water.
Rising water means water that's coming from the streets, that's coming into your, that maybe through your doorways, maybe through the walls, and it's rising.
Coverage is also relative to the amount you want covered.
There's 2 types of policies you can also have, one for replacement cost, one for actual cash value.
Cash value takes into account depreciation costs, so you stand to lose some money if you don't go with the replacement guarantee.
Many people don't put any thought into what they're worth, how much they're worth, but when you start adding your furniture, your clothing, those type of things, televisions, it adds up.
It becomes hard to live life without the comfort of your home, much as we saw with residents in the recent McAllen hailstorm. So after the event, what happens next? Padron says you have to file a claim, obtain your claim number, and an adjuster will be on site within days. Your check in the mail within weeks, so you can get back to rebuilding your life in no time at all.